Church Bell Blues, do nosso queridíssimo lá de Ohio, sabe? De Athens, Ohio. Ele com um monte de gente de lá, né? Vai trazer pra nós aqui a música Church Bells Blues. O que acontece agora é o Rusty Smith and Friends, vários amigos dele, aliás, são várias pessoas que fazem parte desse grupão ali, desse grupão de artistas de qualidade lá de Athens, Ohio, cidade que, aliás, é conhecida por trazer grandes artistas. Então bora de o nosso queridíssimo aí, o Rusty Smith and Friends.
Church bells ringing, secretary singing, preachers preaching. Can't you hear the sisters shout? There's children in the pulpit. My mama's trying to learn a song. That lowdown dirty deacon took my gal and gone. I've done more for you, mama, way last winter. Scuffled through the summer, we suffered in the fall. I've done more for you, mama, than the good Lord has ever done. Now you're fussing about your good head, the Lord didn't give you one. So hand me back that hat I bought you, the coat and waist. Give me back the shawl I bought you, the shoes and all. If you don't like your daddy, you got no right to carry on and squall. Give me back the wig I bought you, let your doggone head go bald. I can't be no bank boss, baby, no superintendent. Can't clerk no commissary. I ain't gonna work on no tipple, cause I promised the good Lord I wasn't gonna dig no coal. I think I'll stay here in the country, try to find some jelly rolls. Wouldn't fix me no breakfast, make me no lunch, scuffle about my supper. She threw me out the door and had the nerve to ask me would a matchbox hold my clothes. She had the nerve to ask me if a matchbox would hold my clothes. Ooh, my brother had 'em, my sister had 'em, my auntie had 'em. My father died with him. I woke up this morning, Lord, I had the weary blues. Look over in the corner, poor old grandma had it too. Church bells ringing, secretaries singing, preachers preaching. Can't you hear the sisters shout? There's children in the pulpit. My mama's trying to learn a song. That low-down dirty deacon took my gal and gone.